Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on Shopify tutorials, e-commerce tips, and strategies to help grow your online business. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the shipping settings on your Shopify store effectively. This process is crucial for ensuring your customers get their orders delivered smoothly and efficiently. Whether you're just setting up your store or revisiting your shipping strategies, these steps will guide you through the essential components. Getting your shipping setup right is one of the biggest factors in customer satisfaction. Offering the right options and rates can directly impact conversion rates and repeat business. Let's begin by heading over to your Shopify admin page. Once you're on your Shopify home screen, locate the settings option. You'll typically find this in the lower left corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on Settings to access a variety of configuration options for your store. After clicking on Settings, look for Shipping and Delivery. It should appear in the list of settings categories. Selecting Shipping and Delivery will take you to the page where you can manage all aspects of how you ship products to your customers. This is where all your shipping rules, carrier options, and fulfillment details live. It's the foundation of how your orders move from your store to your customers' doorsteps. Moving forward, you'll want to focus on general shipping rates. By clicking on this, you can set up or adjust your basic shipping options that are offered to customers, such as standard, expedited, or overnight shipping. This is where you configure the nuts and bolts of your shipping strategy. If you're just starting out, offering free shipping above a certain order value is a great way to encourage larger purchases. For example, free shipping on orders over $50. The next step involves managing products in your shipping settings. By selecting products, you have the opportunity to assign specific shipping profiles to different types of products. This is useful if you sell items that require special shipping conditions, like fragile goods, perishable items, or oversized packages. Having individual product shipping profiles also helps you control costs more precisely, ensuring customers aren't overpaying or underpaying for delivery. You can even set up custom profiles for local pickup or hand delivery if you operate a physical store. It's a great way to offer flexible delivery choices. After handling the product profiles, the next click is on Fulfillment Location. This section is important because it dictates from where your products will be shipped. If you have multiple warehouses, fulfillment centers, or even a brick-and-mortar location, make sure each one is accurately configured. This affects shipping times, costs, and carrier options. For example, Shopify can automatically calculate delivery times based on your customer's proximity to a specific fulfillment center. Next, you need to click on Shop Location. This is critical as it informs Shopify where your business is based. It plays an important role in determining the taxes and shipping rates applicable to your orders. Accurate shop location data also ensures your shipping labels, customs forms, and invoices show the correct origin information, especially when shipping internationally. Now let's focus on shipping zones. Click this to specify the geographical areas where you want to offer shipping. You can create different shipping zones based on continents, countries, or even specific regions. This flexibility allows you to tailor your shipping policies to meet business goals and customer needs. If you notice a lot of traffic from a specific country, consider adding that region to your shipping zones with a custom rate or free shipping threshold to increase conversions. In the following step, we're going to look at the standard domestic rates, which apply to shipments within your home country. Clicking here allows you to customize these rates to align with your business model and competitive strategy. For example, you might offer flat rate shipping for simplicity, or real-time carrier calculated rates for accuracy based on weight and destination. If you ship heavy or bulky items, flat rates often make more sense, but for smaller products, real-time rates can help customers see transparent pricing at checkout. Finally, for businesses looking to reach customers across the globe, understanding international shipping is crucial. Click on International Rate to set up shipping fees and policies for orders going to other countries. Here you can decide whether to offer flat rates, free shipping for certain orders, or real-time carrier rates depending on your shipping partners and pricing strategy. If you ship internationally, consider enabling duties and taxes at checkout. This lets customers prepay any import fees, preventing unpleasant surprises at delivery and improving satisfaction. And there you have it. These steps will help you effectively set up and manage your Shopify shipping settings, ensuring your customers have a seamless shopping experience. Remember, keeping your shipping options clear, competitive, and reliable can greatly impact your business's success. Review your shipping setup regularly. As your store grows, you might introduce new regions, carriers, or fulfillment centers, and keeping everything updated ensures your operations stay efficient and customer-friendly. Thank you for watching, and happy selling! If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more step-by-step Shopify tutorials and e-commerce strategies to elevate your online business.